Hello, 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 hello. Sir, sir, select short, sir. Hello, hello. Test. Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir. And just I want to share my screen. Uh, oh, number of. Okay. Yes. Good evening, everyone. This is Indian Geology Part 2, that is Black 2, Unit 6, and it is covering about geology of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states. Here in the presentation, first slide, you can observe that and uh, try to put one message regarding these two images, which are popular rock types in the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So where you can find these rock types, just try to comment on your chat box. So later we can discuss in the upcoming slides. Today I'm going to, once again I'm repeating, today I'm going to cover the and complete the total your syllabus and balance is block 2, that is Indian Geology 2, Unit 6, Geology of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Next, you can observe here, this is the geological and mineral occurrence of the Telangana state. Here in the legend, you can observe that age with versus with the geological formations. In quaternary alluvials are there, Cenozoic laterite and bauxite are there, and Cretaceous to Paleocene Deccan troughs are there. Triassic to Cretaceous Gondwana supergroup, Singarani coalfields are there, and Neoproterozoic to Bhima group, and Meso to Neoproterozoic alkaline complex, Mesoproterozoic in Kadapa, Prakasham, Penganga supergroup, Eastern Ghat supergroup, and closer to granite in Archean and Proterozoic age. In Archean, peninsular Nesic complex or rock formations are there according to their geological periods. And and most central part of the area, central part of the Telangana state is covered with the peninsular Nisi complex rocks. And whereas in the western, eastern and south eastern side of the area covered with the these uh, Proterozoic age, Penganga or Hadappa supergroup rocks. Whereas in northeast side of the area covered with the Eastern Ghats supergroup geological formations, whereas in the north part and western part or northwestern part area covered with the Deccan troughs, that is basaltic terrain. So here you can observe these are the some of the major mineral types. Here you can central part of Telangana, you can observe that these these are the dominating iron ore and this here you can observe copper and here you can observe triangle shape is about which one? This and here you can observe coal seams in the Krishna Godavari basin. You can find the coal seams and chromite deposits in this area and uranium. particularly uranium deposits in the Nalgonda region. You can find in some part of the southern part of Telangana region also will get these uranium deposits. And when we talk about this diamond and corundum, central part and southern part of Telangana, these minerals are covering. and and limestone and kimberlite, clays. Some these important minerals are you can observe in the these belt northeast northeast region of the Telangana state, and whereas in the southern or southwest or southwest region of the Telangana, I can observe. Then in Andhra Pradesh, this is the geology and mineral map of the Andhra Pradesh. You can observe the most of the minerals occur in this crescentic shape, Kadapa Basin, and in the eastern part of the or eastern Ghat region, you'll get bauxite and some. Here you can get some coal fields, and in this region, uh, you will get the bauxite, limestone, and shales, slates in the Kadapa, crescentic shape. You will get these type of mineral resources according to their geological geological formations. And sorry about this. This is image not uh, the clear. It is some parts it is showing the blur images. We are not able to identify that particular text, but you try to download from Google and try to watch these eastern side and this crescentic ship Kadapa zone and the northeast side of the Andhra Pradesh zone. You will get a number of mineral resources with their particular geological formations. Next, when we talk about the geology of the Andhra Pradesh, geology of the Andhra Pradesh, overview of Andhra Pradesh geological formations are Eastern Ghats. This is the Eastern Ghat belt, and Eastern Ghat predominantly composed of granite, gneiss, and quartzite region. This is the Eastern Ghat covered with the predominantly composed of granite, gneiss, and quartzite. In coastal plains deposits, the coastal plains here, northeast region, in some parts of this Krishna Godavari Delta region, the coastal plains deposits of sedimentary rocks such as shale and limestones will get in the northeastern part of the Andhra Pradesh state. And in Krishna Godavari, when we talk about this Krishna Godavari or na, northern or northeastern side of the region, abundant of sedimentary rocks, including the sandstone and shale, and in some parts you will get the coal seams. And next, in the mineral resource of Andhra Pradesh, when we discuss about the mineral resource of Andhra Pradesh, mostly we have to discuss about limestone, coal mining, and bauxite mining. These are the main important mineral resources in the Andhra Pradesh. Like here you can see a description of major mineral resources in the Andhra Pradesh are bauxite. Here you can observe this is the bauxite formation and found in Vishakhapatnam and Eastern Godavari districts. Here you can find these bauxite deposits along in the along the coastal region of Andhra Pradesh. And next, limestone. These are the limestone mining quarries and abundant in the Krishna and Guntur districts. And coal mine in the Khammam and Warangal districts. Is the coal mine open cast mining, and that is mainly spread in the Warangal and Khammam and this Ramagundam regions. And when we talk about the granitic rock, varied extensively in the Prakasham and Chittur districts. And Prakasham and this Chittur granitic rocks are very famous for commercial point of view. These Prakasham and Chittur granites are having the more importance. So these are the building stones and these are the mineral resources, and bauxite, limestone, and coal are the main mineral resource of the Andhra Pradesh. And after that, granite is the uh, more building stone and this mineral resources of the Andhra Pradesh. So Prakasham granite is the famous, economically famous and important resources. And when we talk about this stratigraphy and rock, sorry, stratigraphy and rock formations in Andhra Pradesh, stratigraphy and rock formations in the Andhra Pradesh, exploration of the exploration of the sorry exploration of the stratigraphic units and rock formations in the Andhra Pradesh. Like these are the some examples here you can observe. These are examples of significant rock types, their distribution. Like Araku Valley is known for a very tourism place in the famous tourism place in the Andhra Pradesh, which is covered with the Nisos rock, which is covered with the Nisos rock and Burra caves. Same in same location, you can find it, the Burra caves, limestones. Burra caves, limestones are famous in the economically and geographically. These are the important places in the Andhra Pradesh and in Krishna Delta. When we talk about this Godavari and Krishna basin in Delta region is the famous for the shale formation and recent alluvial formations, that is river deposits. And these shale limestone are particularly in the limestones in these Burra caves. And when we talk about shales, this is about in the delta region of the Krishna Godavari basin, and Arki Valley is famous for these Mesos rock types, and these are the shale rock formations in the delta Krishna Delta region. Okay, and the next here just I want to mention and ask you you that hydrological heritage and monumental values like geological importance and geological support for these earth dam and these Burra caves, tourism places. These are also tourism places, and these are the tourism places because of geological variety of rocks or geologically rocks formations. Mm, they have converted into tourism places. Here I want to mention regarding this Nagarjuna Sagar built on the Precambrian rocks and the symbol of hydraulic power. So Precambrian rocks like hard rocks, we can and granitic terrain, hard rock terrain, we can find this in the Nagarjuna Sagar area. And when coming from start, highlighting the geological landmarks and their significance is Borra caves, as I told in the previous slide. Borra caves formations for a stalactite and stalagmite. This is the stalactite, this is the stalagmite. Just you can remember with some other words. Stalagmite means the met. Telugu we can Telugu we call as the metlu or steps. Okay, stalagmite is the which is coming from the base of the caves, and stalactite is the which is hanging or coming from the top of the that cave. So tite is the hanging or coming from the top of the cave, and stalagmite or you can remember like met or steps is the mite. So stalactite and stalagmite you can remember while you are attending for this theory exams. So these are in Burra caves, these stalactite and stalagmites are the famous because of this stalactite and stalagmite formation only. These Burra caves formed in the limestone formation. And in the first slide only, you can remember this structure, and most of the people you can observe this structure in the Tirumala Hills, composed of quartzite rock formation, and religious importance. These in Tirumala we can call as a rock as the called as the Shila Toranam. In Telugu, they will call as a Shila Toranam. So this is the famous structure formed naturally formed by the quartzite rocks in the Tirumala Hills, and this is the uh, famous Burra Caves limestone formation, stalactite and stalagmite formations. And this is the dam, Nagarjuna Dam. This is the uh, structure based on the basic hard rock, granitic, or that are Precambrian rocks. And these are the geological importance which is converted into or famous got famous into the is tourism places and some this Tirumala Hills also. Next, just I want to repeat this. And here, just I want this Shila Toranam from the quartzite formation in the Tirumala Hills. And this is the famous single rock in the Asia, single rock formation in the Asia. This entire Bonagiri Hill is a only single rock. Here you can observe number of rocks or number of formations having joints. But here you can see this is the only single rock in the biggest single rock in the Asia. Just you Google it and you will get some details regarding this. This is the granitic formation and which is famous in the Asia due to this single rock formation. Okay, and try to remember. That's why I have mentioned, I have searched images suitable for your geological formations. Then you can easily remember these structures. You can write in your theory exams. This is the quartzite and this is the granite. This is the hard rock and basement rock. This is the proterozoic quartzites. And yes, you have discussed this also. And this we have covered. And this also we have covered. So here you can observe this Shila Toranam, which is a famous tourist spot in the Tirumala Hills. This is the stalactite and stalagmite limestone Borra Caves, famous tourist place in the Andhra Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. And when we talk about the geology of Telangana, what type of rocks we will get, where particular places or geological regions, we can find the separate or particular rock types in the in the Telangana geological region. So here you can observe in picture. This is the basaltic terrain which is covered western and northwestern side of the Telangana state. And you can observe here in this first slide, these basalts, you can see at Deccan Traps, basalts, north side and western part of the western to north side, these basalts are covered. These are the basaltic flow hills. And when we come to here, this is the limestone deposits, and these are the granitic quarries. These are three rock types are famous in the Telangana state. Here you can see the overview of Telangana's geological formations. Deccan Plateau, that is Deccan basalts, rich in the igneous rocks such as granites and basalts. Okay, and Nallamala Hills composed of gneiss and quartzite and shales. Shales you have observed in the previous upcoming slides you can see, and the quartzite we have observed in the previous Shila Toranam, and similar rock type and niches also we have seen the previous slides. So same niches and quartzite and shales are presented in the Nallamala Hills, and Deccan Plateau's richer igneous rocks such as the granite and basaltic. And when we talk about this Godavari Basin, contains sedimentary rocks, including the sandstone and shale with the coal seams. And next, when we talk about mineral resource of Telangana, the description of major mineral resources in Telangana that are 1 minute. The coal mineral extensively in Singareni calories. So this is the Singareni open cast mining. You can observe here in the bottommost image. And whereas after that uranium found in Nalgonda district. This is the uranium ore which is found in the Nalgonda district. As we have observed in the previous slides, here you can observe this is the uranium symbol. We can observe here this is the uranium formation, and here also you can get get the uranium farmers in the Telangana state. And by seeing this rock also, you should remember this is the uranium ore. And next is the coal seams in the Singareni collieries, open cast mining. And next famous one is the dolomite extracted in the Khammam district. Dolomite rock form. These are the dolomite rock formations in the Khammam district. When we talk about Karimnagar and Warangal, you should remember granite and this Warangal top and the northern side of Warangal and the Singareni region. You should remember this whole seams with this open cast mining image, and like coal mineral extensively in Singareni Calderes and uranium found in the Nalgonda district, and granite carried in the Karimnagar and Warangal districts, and dolomite extracted in the Khammam district. This is the dolomite formation. You will may identify or you may get in the Khammam districts. Next, so stratigraphy and rock formations in Telangana region. What are their importance due to the geological rock type or geological formations. And here, just I want to mention these waterfalls and this famous Golconda Fort, famous because of what, which rock type, and which terrain, and which area we are going to cover in this text. So, like in the explanation of the stratigraphic units and rock formations in Telangana, examples of significant rock types and their distribution, like Golconda Fort. Entire Golconda Fort is made up of this the constructed with the granite rock, which is predominantly available in the Hyderabad and Telangana region. And next, this Pochera waterfall. This Pochera waterfall, famous for a famous for a this tourist place in the Adilabad district in the Telangana state, and it is composed of quartzite rocks. Okay, and when we talk about this Singareni coal fields again, we should remember this open cast mine. And next, just I want to repeat this slide. I have covered till now. I have covered Indian geology part one, part two. In part one, we have covered entire geological formations, stratigraphy of the India, and the different rock types covered in the different regions of the Indian continent, and their rock importance. We have discussed the mineral importance also. We have discussed in the Indian Geology Part 1 presentation today. And in part 2 presentation also, we have covered southern part of the India, peninsular India, rock types and geological and stratigraphical importance. And in black 2, this is the third presentation, which is covering the geology of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana with their rock types and mineral resources, their stratigraphy importance, and tourism importance because of rock types. I have covered in the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, both states I have covered. So you try to remember with this Telangana, when we talk about this Telangana geology, you should remember this single rock, granitic rock, which is famous, largest one in the one of the largest rock, single rock type in the Asia. And this is the famous quartzite Shilatoranam in the Tirumala Hills. Like that, you should remember the geology importance of the geological importance of the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And most here you can see middle part of the area covered with granites, and north northeast part and south to southwest, and western side of the part is covered with the Deccan troughs, and these eastern side mineralization, and this region, northeast region, you will get the number of type of minerals you will get. And in here in the this eastern region, or eastern coast region, you will get a number of variety of mineral resources in the like bauxite and sedimentary and quartzite rock types. Whereas in the southern part, you will get some parts you will get granitic, and the remaining the Kadapa region, this is crescentic shape of the Kadapa, will get a number of mineral resources. Yeah, just I want to repeat this slide again. Geology of the Andhra Pradesh, in this eastern side, you are having mineral resources, and in the Kadapa regions also you are having the mineral resources. In the northeast side of also you are having the particular mineral resources like shale, sandstone, abundant sedimentary rocks, including this limestone and quartzite, gneiss, this granite. So these type of rocks you will get in the uh, Andhra Pradesh. And when we talk about these mineral resources, just I want to repeat quickly. You should then you can remember easily that mineral resources of Andhra Pradesh. Like just by seeing here also, you can write this is the coal mining, open cast coal mining, that is Singareni Galleries and the Khammam Varangal, and here granite carried extensively in the Prakasham and Chittur. So when we are talking about Andhra Pradesh, we have mentioned Khammam and Varangal. The coal mine in Khammam, border of the Khammam and Varangal borders, that is in Andhra Pradesh, we will get the means entire Godavari basin is covering the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Khammam, Varangal, Ramagundam, like that districts it is covering. But these are the most important mineral resources in the Andhra Pradesh. Bauxite, the dominant one, and this limestone and coal seams. And when we talk about rock formation importance and their tourism places, their rock type and variety of structures you will find in the Borra Caves and Araku Valley, the Nisos and shales in the and delta formations in the Krishna Godavari basin, in the near to the ocean, you will find these delta shales also. So try to remember with geological formation or rock type with the places like Krishna Delta, Shale, Borra Caves, limestone only, and Arki Valley of Nice. Okay, this delta shales like that you try to remember with the rock type with their tourism places and their particular available tourism important places. Okay, here when we talk about the heritage and monumental values, the Nagarjuna Sagar, this Tirumala, Shilatoranam, this stalactite and stalagmite in the Burra Caves limestone formations, and geology of Telangana, just most of predominant rock types are basaltic rocks, these limestones and granitic rocks and mineral resources like coal minerals, open cast mining, the uranium ore, and is the quartzite, which is available in the, which is present in the Khammam district. And when we talk about uranium, we should remember Nalgonda district. And when we talk about the Singareni Quarries, Singareni's company, you should remember that coal seam, open cast mining of coal seams, which are presented in the sedimentary sandstone deposits or sedimentary sandstone formation. Here, just the geology, due to the geological rock type importance, these two they have converted into tourism places in the Telangana. Like these are the Golconda Fort, which is made up of granitic rock type, and Pochera waterfall is the quartzite rock type, and it is famous, one of the famous and important waterfall in the uh, Telangana, which is located in the Adilabad district, and the Singareni coal mines already I have seen in the previous slides. Next, so it- so uh, this is the block 2 or Indian Geology 2, Unit 6 I have covered. So till today, I have covered your total syllabus, that is Indian Geology 192 and Paleontology 192 with almost uh, these 5 presentations with their uh, particular images with the places also. Try to read number of times, try to watch number of times. You will definitely understand geology of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana by seeing these pictures. And you try to remember these important tourism places with their rock types. Then easily you can write your theory exams. Thank you, and thank you one and all. Just I want to stop my sharing. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. You you may stop or close meeting. Service was meeting. Thank you, one and all. If you have any doubt regarding this Indian geology and paleontology, I'm ready to explain anytime. Contact your uh, professors and try to ask these presentations. They will provide, or else I will also take number of times. I will also take these classes, and I'll try to present these presentations number of times. Okay, thank you one and all.